Alright y'all, so today I'm working on this Honda Pilot all-wheel drive. This is a 2008. I'm replacing the VTM temperature sensor. And we had a guy on YouTube that was showing how to take it off, but he was ranting so much and showing the tool that he used, but he didn't show to actually take it off. But you don't really need no special tool. I'm using a regular 19 millimeter. Will it show? Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a 19. The socket is a 19, so it's no miracle to it. You can see I got the vehicle jacked up a little bit to give me some leverage. I don't even have the back tire all the way off the ground, and this socket is not the short socket, but get this light. See the VTM sensor right there? Okay, so I just put the socket on first. See, it sits right there, right? And then I got the big breaker bar, and that's why I had to jack the car up to get a little leverage. Put the breaker bar on there like so, and it turns. Once you break it loose, see the breaker bar? That's why I had to jack it up so I could get a little play under there. And once I break it loose, then you separate the socket from the breaker bar. Separate the socket from the breaker bar like so. Once you break it loose, just take it off. I don't know why this thing stopped recording. Yeah, you just unscrew it like so. It's a little awkward because you're working on the ground. What? You don't have to make no special tool. I'm just using a regular old 19. Trying to get this thing focusing. Okay. Might want to put a pan under here. I'm going to clean this up. But yeah, that's how you take it out. That's how you take out the sensor. Make sure you pull this fill plug first though. Make sure you pull that. That's one thing he did say that I did. Make sure that you pull that fill neck. That's right there. Okay, that's a sensor. That's a sensor clip, VTM sensor clip that I moved out of the way. But there's a fill plug. Make sure you pull that. And once you pull the fill plug and you know you can refill it, you just use a regular medium size 19 with a breaker bar. Raise the vehicle up a little bit, and yeah, take it out. Make sure you have a pitch container on there. It's old Earl, y'all. One love, stay up, stay blessed, stay strong. I don't even tell y'all to subscribe no more. Ain't that something crazy? Hey, every one of my videos have value, even if they're not frequent. Love y'all, man. Take care.